was 102.
At Sutter, we're always here. When your kid's got a fever, your cough won't quit, or you just need answers right now. With more doctors in more places, urgent and primary care when you need it, video visits wherever you are, and a personalized app that connects it all. A whole team on your team. Sutter Health.